Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and we are live tonight. Dahil magpipinta tayo ng custom repaint session tayo ng Hulk. Okay? So if you have any questions regarding custom repaint, visual arts, logo design, anything under visual arts that I can answer, tanong lang kayo mga ma'am, sir. And pag di ko alam, sabihin ko lang, di ko alam yung sigot. Pero, if you have questions, mag-send lang kayo sa comments natin. Okay? Sasagutin ko yun habang gumagawa tayo ng custom repaint ng Hulk. Okay, this is the Marvel Select Hulk. Almost 10 inches tall. Okay, almost 10 inches tall. Sobrang ganda. Meron na akong review nito mga ma'am, sir. Nasa YouTube channel natin. Thank you very much nga pala sa mga supporters natin sa YouTube, sa Facebook, and dito rin sa mga live painting sessions natin. Thank you for all of your support. Almost 24,000 na tayo sa YouTube, and dito naman sa Facebook mga around 15,000 na tayo. So thank you very much. Ngayon ang ginagawa natin, nag-add tayo ng shadows para sa comic book paint style na gagawin natin. So ito yung comic book paint style na process. Primer. Ito yung primer na ginamit natin, Bosny Flat Clear. So nandito, tapos na yan. Primer clear. And then dito we have sa second step, shadows na yung ginagawa natin. Shadows. Tapos next step, mag-add tayo ng highlights. And then next step, we are going to add some highlights, layer 2. Then after that, line art, yung transition lines, cross-hatching, and feathering lines. And then after the fifth step, mag-add na tayo ng top coat. For the paints naman, ito yung ginagamit ko. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sending these paints for our custom repaint projects. This is Intense Violet and Warm Red. Yung black, any acrylic paint na mahanap nyo. Yes, gumagamit din ako ng Armored Komodo. Pero sponsored tayo ni Hero Paints, kaya mas Hero Paints na yung ginagamit ko ngayon. For Armored Komodo, very select na colors lang yung ginagamit ko. Inuubos ko yung mga paints dito na na black primer. Okay? Yan, if you want to ask some questions, pwede mga ma'am, sir. So right now we are adding shadows dito kay Red Hulk. So malapit na Brave New World, Captain America. So sakto, we are going to finish this custom very soon. So if you want to have your figures custom repainted, send lang kayo ng DM sa akin. Send me a DM and let's talk about custom repaint process, kung ano yung gusto nyong characters. My professional fees around $150 to $250, and unfortunately the commission wait time is around 1 year. Okay? 1 year na tayo mga ma'am, sir. Super thank you sa mga support. Sa lahat ng support sa Ralph Cifra Toy Customs. Thank you very much. Gawa lang tayo ng gawa dito mga ma'am, sir, ng mga products natin para sa mga clients. And also thank you clients for all of your support. Sa Instagram, nag-grow na rin tayo, around 3,000. Pero, na lang yan. Kumbaga, it's the natural way of things. Ako, gagawa lang talaga ako para sa mga clients na nagre-request kung ano yung gusto nilang figure, de-deliver natin. Kaya nga nasa servicing industry tayo. Very service oriented yung ginagawa ko dito sa Toy Customs. Kung meron kayong naiisip, kung meron kayong concept, tapos gusto nyo i-materialize, pwede nating pag-usapan yan paano magiging tactile yung idea nyo, diba? Ako meron din ako mga nasa pipeline na lahat ng mga ideas na gusto kong gawin, kaya ito, gina-juggle ko lang yung mga projects natin. Super dami natin projects mga ma'am sir, as in napakadami, kaya ganda ng blending boss. Thank you sir Vincent Ragel. Ito ano pa lang to, shadows pa lang to. Ayan. Thank you sir, thank you. Ayan. So yung technique na ginagawa ko dito, I'm not really thinking about the shadows kung saan siya maglaland, pero mas nandun ako sa process nung kung paano ko hahagurin yung each stroke. So very gestural, hindi siya super tight. This is very very loose. And makikita nyo talaga yung brush stroke dito. Yan. Hindi siya super clean, hindi siya straight. Yan. Gusto ko talaga very gestural and dynamic yung brush strokes na nakikita dun sa sa figure. Shadowing pa lang kita na agad. Thank you sir. Thank you. Yan, nag-add tayo ng shadows ngayon. Mamaya highlights layer 1. Highlights layer 1 yung gagawin natin. Yan, dito sa likod. Yan. Yan. Add tayo dito sa may back. Okay. So dito sa shadows na ginagawa natin, pwede naman tayo mag-add ng black dun sa paint. Kuwari red, di ba? Red paint. Para makapag-add tayo ng shadows, pwede kayong mag-add ng black. Di ba? Kumari, anong paint? Kahit anong paint yan. Kahit orange, brown. Pag nag-add ka ng black, mas magiging darker. So, yun lang ang konsepto ng mixing any paint with black. It will become duller or darker. So, same concept lang din dito sa figure na ginagawa natin. Kaya tayo nag-spray ng flat clear para yung mid-tone hindi na magbabago. Yan na yun, red na yun. Tapos, ang gagawin na lang natin, mag-add tayo ng shadows. Yung shadows should be darker than the mid-tone. Para maging darker, mag-add tayo ng black. Or in this case, nag-add ako ng purple para mas mataas yung contrast. Para nababago yung hue. Mas visually striking kapag ganun. For me, Yan. Okay naman yung audio ko, tsaka video. Uy, 10 viewers. Thank you very much. Nga pala, meron tayong event sa Laruanan. It's a Christmas sale. Meron akong mga doon, mga naka-sale na mga figures doon, mga ma'am sir. Kung gusto niyo makita, punta kayo sa Green Hills. Hanggang bukas na lang yon, Sunday. Pero naka-on pa rin yung on pa rin yung Christmas sale ko. We have, bubuksan ko yung mga for sale ko na items. Wait lang Baka gusto niyo bumili. Pwede naman bumili dito. Pwede rin kayo tumawad. Buksan ko lang Christmas sale 2024. Let's go. Okay, isa pa palang technique na ginagawa ko para dito sa mga custom figures na kina-custom repaint natin. For the shadows, ang guide ko rito, yung pinaka deep parts ng sculpt. So in this case, yung mga muscle definition niya, kung saan siya nag-intersect, kung saan yung pinakamalalim na area, doon ko nilalagyan ng shadows. Yan. Tsaka, yun nga, hindi ako nag-worry about anything. Sin talagang nagpe-paint lang ako. That's it. Medyo may level of, kanya-kanyang level of ano rin eh. Parang level of adjustments kung saan kayo komportable. Kung gusto nyo ba very straight yung lines, very gestural, it's on you. Kung ano yung preference nyo, kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin sa action figure, go! Go, go, go. Ako sinishare ko lang yung ano ko rito. Sinishare ko lang yung technique ko, di ba? Para in the future, kuwari gagawa din ako ng Red Hulk. Alam ko na ako yung gagawin. Alam ko na rin kung ano yung paints na ginamit ko, di ba? This is for archiving din. Yung Hero Paint ba is designed for action figure? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Marvelous Hagedorn, not necessarily. Marami siyang uses. You can use it sa iba't ibang hobbies. Minis. Meron din siyang mga bags, iba't ibang materials. You can try to research yan, Hero Paint, sa Shopee. Tigas. Tigas ng joints. Hindi ko muna to wait lang tigas. Ikot ko muna to Ayan. Grabe yung muscle definition ni Hulk. Okay, para sa Christmas sale natin, pwede kayong bumili dito Sige, kung dito kayo bibili, less 100 to 200 pa. Sige, bibigyan natin ng discount. Kasi naka-live naman ako naka-live naman ako. Pwede tayo mag-free shipping din. Sige, free shipping na lang. Hindi ko na lang babawasan yung price ng action figure. Pero sa live lang dito lang sa live na to. Okay. Venom PS5 custom repaint. Kaso wala akong mapapakitang sasabihin ko lang. Mapapakitang picture. Sa ko pa mapopost yan. Siguro in the next few days pa. Using ko lang yung images for our wall dibs. Yan. International yun mga ma'am sir. Pwede rin PayPal. Pwede rin mga foreign clients. So ang gagawin natin dyan international. Open yan for international clients. Both international and local. Ang mode of payment natin dyan, GCash or PayPal. Venom PS5, ZD Toys yan, custom repaint, 8,500 only or $150. Yan. Sold na yun mga ma'am sir kahapon. Yan. So open yan. Kung gusto nyo pa magpagawa, kaso yun nga kung willing to wait kayo mga ma'am sir, 1 year pa. 1 year pa. Pero di bale, yung 2025 naman na year, lapit na yun. Hulkbuster na custom repaint 17 inches, sold na rin for 8,500 din, $150. Okay. And thank you very much clients. My next item, Voltes 5 Legacy 30cm. Meron akong dalawa nito mga ma'am sir, dalawang units. Yan, kung gusto nyo. Dalawang units ng Voltes 5, 5,000 pesos only. Yan. Ang SRP ko nito, 12K. Ngayon, di-discount ko na, 5K only. Kano nga pala yun? $85. Voltes 5 Legacy. Custom repainted lang lahat. Next item, Skelegod, Masters of the Universe. Custom repainted. Skelegod. By Mattel, 3,500 only or $60. Yan. Para dito sa sa Hulk, binibilisan ko na lang din yung yung gawa dito sa mga shadows. Kasi pa lang naman 'to, preliminary paint coats pa lang naman 'to. Teka lang ang hirap na i-customize, ang bigat. Okay, next item, Iron Man 3 Mark 3, Iron Man Mark 3 1/5 scale. Yan, ZD Toys yan. Magkano na lang yan? 6K. 6K na lang to mga moms, sir. $100 only. Dalawang units available. Yan. Yan. Di ko mapapakita sa inyo yung item. Sabihin ko na lang. Kasi naka-Excel sheet din siya eh. Pero, magpo-post tayo. Magpo-post ako. Para makita nyo din yung item. Nandun kasi kung gusto nyo makita in person, nasa GH. Green Hills. Laruanan cabinet sa Mother Base tsaka sa Wizard Collective Base. Yan. Okay naman kayo mga ma'am sir, kumusta ang inyong Saturday morning? Sunday na pala, 12:35 na. Sunday morning. I hope everyone's having a great time na makapag-relax para next week banat ulit tayo, work ulit tayo. Yan. Comment kayo mga ma'am sir kung saan kayo nanonood. Ako, I am Ralph Cifra from Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Watching, streaming live from Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. Where are you watching from, bros? Curious lang ako kung saan kayo nanonood. Kung saan lang nyo, area. Nakakatuwa kasi itong, 'di ba, internet na free distribution. 'Di ba? Napakalaki ng reach ng ng internet. And it's free, grabe. Kaya gusto kong ginagamit talaga 'to for yun nga, distribution, for distribution ng artworks. This is it. Anything you want to happen, post lang kayo sa social media. Oh, King of Broken Toys, South California, USA. Have a great one, bro. Thank you very much for watching King of Broken Toys. So we have Red Hulk, we have Green Hulk, and we also have Gray Hulk. The Gray Hulk status is this. You're just curing the gray part here. Hey yo, Micmac Toys. What's up, sir? Micmac. And kung gusto nyo magpagawa ng mga diorama, punta lang kayo sa Micmac Toys. Right now, halos tapos na tayo sa pag-create ng shadows natin. Okay. Pero I think for tonight, ito na muna yung magagawa natin, shadows muna. And then tomorrow we can do the rest, no? So ito lang yung setup natin. We have the palette. Well, super basic na kailangan nyo for custom repaint. You need a figure, a brush, paints, and water. I think yun lang. Palette. That's it. Pwede na kayo mag-start. That's it. Pwede na kayo mag-start mag custom repaint. That's it. That's literally it. Welcome bro, welcome. Okay. We're done here sa top part. Ngayon, try natin dito sa kanyang knees. Di ba? Magulis lang naman paggawa nito. So, sa paggawa na ng mga ng shadows dito sa knees, let's take note dito sa mga na-rip na pants. Kasi nagka-cast yan ng shadow. Di ba? Yung mga pointed na areas niya, nagka-cast yan ng shadow. Yan. Hindi lang ito yung sa paggamit ng brush, hindi lang one way hindi lang one way yung paggamit ng brush. Okay? There are so many ways. You can use the tip. Diba? Teka, demo natin. You can use the tip. Demo natin You can use the tip. Yan. To create yung mga lines. You can create lines such as this, very thin lines. Okay? And you can create very thick lines such as these. And then pag diniin nyo, mas may pressure, mas mag-vary yung line weight, so mas thick siya. And then you can also use the edge. Diba? So you can create these kinds of lines or paint styles. Yan, something like that. Magkikreate siya ng gradient. Diba? So ito black, ito red. Yan. Pwede rin naka-incline. So you can do these kinds of lines. Diba? You can roll para magkaroon ng pattern. Diba? You can drag. Maraming technique sa paggawa ng pagpinta using a brush. So this is one of the painting techniques na ginagawa natin. Press and flick. Okay? So that's yun yung process na ginagawa natin dito sa kay Hulk. Almost done na tayo rito kay Red Hulk. Done na yung shadows. So, let's just take note, itong mga parts na to, yung sa kanyang feet, magkakast yan ng shadows, kaya darks yung nilalagay natin dito sa ilalim ng kanyang feet or calf muscles. And be very careful lang sa mga ganyan kasi yan talaga yung mga areas na definitely meron kang dark na color to signify na yung light nang gagaling sa taas and it casts a shadow din sa baba. That's it. Diba? Hindi naman natin kailangan i-overthink pa yung mga ganyang bagay. Okay. SoCal, USA. Do you have any more questions regarding custom repainting, about visual arts, logo stuff, visual design, art design? You good? Okay. Illustration, website design, poster design, typography, yan yung mga ginagawa ko. Storyboards, character design, layout, ano pa ba? Grabe yung sculpt ng Ang ganda ng sculpt ng Diamond Select. Saka yung proportion niyan, laki. Sobrang laki. Compared dun sa Marvel Legends na Hulk. Malaki na yun. Ito mas malaki pa. Okay. Tanong kayo ng questions mga ma'am sir. Ask some questions para meron tayong topic na mapag-usapan dito habang nagdo-drawing or nagpipinta ako dito sa pinipinta natin si Hulk. Kahit ano lang. Like ano yung mga collections nyo, di ba? Anything. Magsasign tayo dito mamaya sa ilalim ng feet niya. Oh, it dries fast, my paint smudges. Yeah bro, it dries fast. Usually acrylic paints dry fast. Around 5 seconds to 30 seconds curing time. It will be hard to remove. Yep, this dries very fast. That's why you also need to work fast. That's why I really like these kinds of paints, because I like to work fast. And if the paint dries fast, everything will move faster. I don't have to wait for the paint to cure or to dry. I can proceed to the next step. Do you use heat gun? Yes, I use. No, not necessarily a heat gun, but a hair dryer. This one. This one. I use a Philips Essential Care Compact 1200 watts hair blower. Yeah, those kinds of questions, I really appreciate that. Thank you very much, bro. King of Broken Toys. Thank you very much for your question, bro. What's your collection, bro? King of Broken Toys. Do you also do custom repaint? Do you collect? What kind of toys do you collect? Welcome, bro. We are international here. Thank you very much, Facebook, or the whole internet, for the free distribution. You know, this is free. Free distribution of your video nationwide or international that can reach other countries. Very underrated. So I keep on using it so people will see my artwork. I use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok for artwork distribution. Oh, superpowers, vintage and modern. Yeah, I have a client that he's from also the States, and he wants me to paint a batch of DC action figures from the Superpowers line of the McFarlane Toys. So very very soon I will custom repaint a bunch of DC Superpowers action figures, retro. Really excited for that. So before that, we'll finish these Hulks first. Really juggling with so many projects right now. But in time, we are going to paint more. We are going to do more 3D, more custom repaint of different characters: Wolverine, Spider-Man, Venom. We are going to do everything one at a time, bro. One at a time. One at a time. You can finish everything one at a time. We should Patreon. you do restoration and customizing paint. Oh, nice. Yeah, I really considered Patreon, bro. But it's okay. I'm doing YouTube first. Yeah, I'm offering everything for free. For free. I'll give everything for free. Tutorials, unboxing, custom repaints, that's for free. Everything that I learned, every technique, I'll give it for free, bro. I'll tell my Patreons to use your money somewhere else. Buy some games, enjoy. But I'll do everything for free. I'll give away as much information as I want. Because I also thank the creators who also painted the action figures for free and shared also their information. I really learned from them. So that's why I'm sharing it also for free. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for your questions. Alright, so I think we're done. This is it. This is the body of Red Hulk. We are done with the shadows. We applied this is the process of comic book style repaint. We are applying primer. We applied primer, clear. So we are using clear primer so that the base coat of the action figure will not change. It will remain as is. So if, for example, the green hand, this will remain as is. We only use clear primer for it to have a additional layer for painting. So if you have a primer, the paint will stick more or bond more to the surface. Okay. And then after the clear primer, we'll add shadows. So this is it. We added shadows to the body. This is the front, side, and the back. Okay, for Green Hulk, we are going to add heavy green. Okay. Alright, so that's it. I think we are done. It's 12:53 a.m. So thank you very much sa sponsors natin: Laruanan, Hero Paints, Blockies, YOLO Park, Savior Cool, Hobby Lair, and Bro Depot. Thank you very much. And next, I'm going to do this offline: the head, the hands, and one layer of highlights before I rest. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.